G'day, welcome to Masterclass everybody, and it's our August Masterclass project, of course, is a beautiful giraffe. Now a giraffe is something that I feel that all soft sculptors should have in their studio. It's an animal that I've wanted to make in this more realistic look for some time. And of course it's our first project in my new studio, appropriately colourful and very much a celebration of everything that I love to do. So I really hope you're going to enjoy seeing her and certainly making her. Let's go and take a closer look. So allow me to introduce you to my beautiful giraffe. Now I have put her with my two pay it forward giraffes as well, and doesn't she go so well with them? Now this project also has our gorgeous new little bee doll in the little sunflower style. I've made her up in pinks and greens, so you've got that pattern right here on Pay It Forward as well. Now this little doll is made up in fabrics and felt. We've got a gorgeous skirt, undershirt. We've got some new cute little shoes to make this month, and the detail in the head, there's no epoxy sculpt this time, so you've only got a little bit of needle felting. This time I incorporated everything into the design. Look at that lovely profile. Isn't she fabulous? That gorgeous cute little skirt popping out. Of course you could make her up as a little boy as well. It can certainly be changed up. And that lovely floral colour makes all the difference. It frames up that fabulous neck that she has. She's been airbrushed, and those spots on her neck and face, they are fully flat felted, but it's very, very easy to do. So there is much to learn this month, but look at what you end up with, and probably, as it should be, one of our biggest pieces, certainly one of our tallest pieces, in that cute little anime style with the smaller body. And I've had the best time making her. I really have. A great project for my new studio, and she will stay with me forever. I've wanted for so long to make a giraffe. I hope there's some other giraffe lovers out there as well. Now she needs a name, so that will be my question for the giveaway this month. I haven't named her. I would like all of you to give me some suggestions. So my little giraffe needs a name, and I just haven't got around to doing that. Normally I'm really good with names, but I do love names and I love anything like that. So what I'm going to make my giveaway this month is whoever gives me the best name for this beautiful giraffe. Now you can put your answer, your entry in the comments below. I'm going to leave it for a couple of days, then I'm going to go through them all and choose my absolute favourite. I'm sure Mr. T will have a say in it as well. And I want you to be very creative with that, and that's what we'll name her for sure. Now my mystery giveaway pack is just that. It is going to be a giveaway pack made up with some of my favourite sewing things that I hope will be your favourites as well. So I hope I've tempted some of you who have not stepped up to Masterclass to come and join us. This is a good one to start with because, as I said throughout, the beautiful design that's gone into this one makes it quite a simple project to get these incredible results. So if you want to join my masterclass, I'll put the links down below there. Also the links to our Facebook page, which the beautiful Alison runs and keeps it all running smoothly. Thank you so much, Alison, for always being there. And of course, all of my advisory people who are there, so many very talented people out there. And if you have any questions, you can ask there, any technical questions. And certainly there's lots of people, lots of support there on that page to help you out with anything to do with my patterns and projects. And we want to see your beautiful creations as well. That anything that you've made with my patterns, whether it be Masterclass or Pay It Forward, you can post on there. And I do love to see them. I drop in there whenever I can. And I love to share some of your creations to my Instagram story. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, the best way to catch me is on my Insta page. You can also chat to me one-on-one there. So you can private message me there. You can show me things that perhaps I haven't seen or I've missed, and I do love to see your beautiful work. I do like to just have a chat that way. It's a great way to stay in touch. So everybody, look forward to your next Pay It Forward projects. There is a beautiful bear very, very soon, very close. You'll get that one, and I'll be throwing all sorts of new things at you now that I've got the room. So thank you all so much for your support and celebrating with me. And everybody, in the meantime, keep on being creative. Stay very safe, everyone, and remember to pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.